Welcome to Elkton, South Dakota, a hidden gem in the heart of the Midwest. We're specifically at 715 Elk Street South. But before we show you this home, let's take a look at this community and what it has to offer you. Check this out. Elkton's community spirit shines through its local events and festivals. Join in the fun and create lasting memories with neighbors and friends. Surrounded by picturesque countryside, Elkton offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, while still being conveniently close to large urban areas. Whether you're looking to raise a family, retire, or simply enjoy a slower pace of life, Elkton, South Dakota is the perfect place to call home. Come see for yourself. Situated on a large lot, you'll love the expansive yard, perfect for outdoor activities, gardening, and enjoying those sunny days. Now let's step into this inviting ranch home built in 1974, offering the perfect blend of classic charm and modern convenience. The kitchen is bright and functional, offering ample counter space and storage, making meal prep a breeze. This home features 3 main-level comfortable bedrooms and a full bathroom, providing a peaceful retreat for everyone in the family. But the cherry on top of this home is the 4-stall heated garage just off the kitchen, with floor drains and water. Perfect for car enthusiasts, woodworking, or your home away from home haven. 715 Elk Street South is more than just a house. It's a place to call home. Come and visit us and experience the warmth and charm of Elkton for yourself. And we can't wait to welcome you and create many new memories right here. We're the Brookings Home Team. How can we serve you? Thank you for watching, guys, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye now.